Simran Gazi, please send help. I have been scammed by Capitec. Capitec scammed me ngomgqibelo, which was E7 August 2026. I have an entrepreneur account ngoba ngiyirana, so babethi I should have a business account eceleni ngingasebenzisa main account ngoba uzoblockeka and whatsoever nanani. Ngakhanda leyo account entrepreneur account. Abantu babe order bengena kuleyo imali. So nge7 August ngihleli la endlini ngo5 ntambama kungene imessage ethi cash withdrawal 3,520 bese kuzoba khona cash withdrawal fee ka negative 40 rand. Right, mind you, mina ngisendlini, i-card lami likimi, yimina owazi ngisho my bank pin, akekho on access to this card, so uba no withdraw ngecard lami mina ngisendlini. Right, and then mangena kwi-description ufuna ukubona phela igama le-ATM la ku-withdraw khona ithini into ithi cash withdrawal ATM withdrawal correction. Now if it's in correction imele kube ukuthi imali ebuyayo back to my account, right, because it should be kwenzeka i-mistake. So mina benganawo 3.5 kwicard lami, imali enganginayo la kwakusele u325 rand. So bawudonsa lo u325 bese kusala negative balance la ethini minus lo 325, so 3,520 la bawuthi mina ngo-withdrawile minus imali yami le bikhona vele u325 kusala u-negative balance ka3195. Right, now my question is, guys, if uzo-withdrawa u3,520 kumuntu ono395 rand akumele ni decline mawuthi withdraw, mele decline because awunayo imali la uyifunayo. Right, and then bayabona ukuthi it's a system error. Ngiye e-branch luckily ngathola usiso right, inkosi yami uyangisiza uyafona, but inkinga ilapha kwa head office. Guys, mina i-branch angifuna ukuyisukela bangisize too much bebefona, but inkinga ikwi-branch. Ngabhala i-email ngawo futhi umgqibelo ekseni bangangiphendula bangangifonela bangasho lutho. Today, which is Wednesday, ngiqala ngithi mhlawumbe ngoba kuzoba ne-holiday kuzoba nenkinga, mhlawumbe kuzobe seku-right by Tuesday imali izobuya, still lutho guys. Namanje kusasele i-negative balance ka 2,834. Why? Because khona i-client ebelingabonanga ukuthi ngithebe ngasayifaka imali la ufaka u400 bawugwinyile kwayilo 400, shuthi mina imali sengiskenye yona u400 plus lo 325 bawufica vele ekhadini lami, still kusale negative balance ekusamele ngiyikhokhe engayazi ukuthi yani because mina ayikhi awukho 3.5 engawu withdraw because I didn't have it. And then iyasho ukuthi ke withdrawal correction, if it's a correction kumele kube imali ebuya kimi ayephuma kimi. So lesi scam esenziwa uCapitec angazi mama sifike namhlanje usisi lo ngisizile asho ukuthi nkosami inhlanhla unhappy and selifuna nokuvala i-account because guys ngiyafona ngiyabhala ama-email aningiphenduli anenzi lutho ngami. I'm not getting any assistance. And then besho ukuthi hayi they had problems with ama entrepreneur account global wide, nationwide, angazi basho njalo ukuthi nje inkinga ababhekene nayo nje ukuthi kunama system errors, but they are not fixing anything. Usisi namhlanje akwazi ukuthi afonele head office yakhona ngikhulume nomuntu ngimchazele athi kimi shuthi kumele ngenze i-date debit order ezokwazi ukuthi ngikhokhele amount engikweletayo. Ngisho ukuthi I'm not owing any money, le withdrawal mina angiyazi, I didn't withdraw any money. Le ngicela ubuyele back kwi-bank statement yami ubone ukuthi bekusele malini ngoba sekuthiwa ngiphu 3,520 bekusele malini, bengino-300, so benga-withdraw kanjani u3.5 mina ngiyazi kahle ukuthi ngisele no300. And then says hi and guys bangifumanga ayikho abangisiza ngayo bayasdesista vele kuthiwa ayike I'm not the relevant banibanyana ngizokudlulisela phambili. Nalo ngidlulisela kuyena naye uzofuna ngichaze part story guys ngoba nawe usengatshelwanga ngichaze wena same thing ukuthi kwenzeka i-system error la. Naye athi I am not the relevant department ngizokudlulisela. Siyadluliswa nje guys, ayikho way forward. Namhlanje lesithathu into eyenzeke ngolesihlanu, namhlanje lesithathu shuthi kahle aim yokuthi ngikhokhele imali ngenkani engingayazi ngoba shuthi ama-client amanye awafuni ukufunda. Ngisho ungabhala ubhale yonke indawo still bazofuna ukufaka imali le account le iphinde idliwe futhi shuthi ngeze ngikhokhele imali engingayazi ukuthi eyani ngi-withdraw aphi imali. So guys, please kindly take Capitec la until ngithola usizo because njengamanje I will not pay u3.5 engingazange mina ngu-withdraw. They need to refund my money as well, which is imali yami kumele beyibuyise kumina manje. It is 725 rand, u400 ofakwe iclient namhlanje plus u325 owawuvela ukhona on the account. Shuthi imali abangikweleda yona manje u725 rand. And mangikhuluma naye usisi lo ngimtshela ukuthi imali bengirefund imali nje uya round akafuna indaba yokurefund, instead uthi ngeke ubuye 325 ngoba vele suthathekile kungabuya 400. Okay, buyisa ku 400 nakhona futhi kuyinkinga. Guys, I truly don't know what to do. If mhlawumbe unalo ulwazi usingenza njani, should I go open a case? What should I do? Because angisizakali. Ngibacela nokuthi bengivalele i-account at least abayivale, because ekugcineni le negative balance abayikhuluma ngaye ela wasn't made by me. I don't know it. Bayabona nabo system error because ayikho into nje. Still abafuna uvala i-account yami. Mangithi okay ngiyaphuma nje ka-Capitec, ngcono ngivale ka-Capitec ngifuna elinye ibhenki. Still ayikho into abafuna ukungisiza ngayo. So guys, kindly please help me more wazi ukuthi ngingenza njani. Mhlawumbe nawe awathola ubhekane nenkinga kanje. Kindly please help me because njengamanje I'm in need of usizo ngempela, because I don't know what to do ngoba ngiya kwi-branch, and that branch in shame ngithola abantu aba-right aba-willing to help me. They are trying all their best, but nje u-Capitec self from the department abaphezulu from ka-finance la ngitshontshelwe khona imali, labafuna khona ukudla imali yami, ibona abayinkinga because kucacile ukuthi ibona abadla imali zabantu bese bezokwenza bavule ne-fraud case balikhe bethi basa-investigate ngayi-froze i-account because kathiwa ngiyifreezile-ke i-account bayidonsa kanjani pho imali i-account ifreezile, bawudonselani 400 we-client ngoba phela ifreezile bayayibona ukuthi i-system ingakubona. Hey guys, yabona nje ngihlubukile. If khona wangisiza ngayo, please guys cela ningithekele u-Capitec i-comment uma ungabazi ukuthi ngenza njani and what should I do entweni kanje, because njengamanje bafuna ngikhokhe imali engingayikhipha ngebenganayo west batshontshe neyami. I have to pay imali engingahlangene nayo. Ukhona umuntu okwa-withdraw imali bese izobhala ukuthi withdrawal correction, kodwa iphuma imali. Iphuma kanjani because kumele ngabe iyabuya? No. Wait guys, if ingakakwenzakaleli lento le and you using Capitec, shesha ukhiphe imali, remove imali yakho ku Capitec. Nami vele imali ngiya remove, so ama-client athafaka imali ngiyayikhipha ngiyise on my other bank which is Nedbank. So ngiyayikhipha nje one way, ihlale ngenamali ngamane ihlale mhlawumbe 300 sokuthi uma ngithepha lokho ngithephayo ngikudingayo. Lela ithi too much guys, ngizongibona komnyama konje. Khipha imali ku Capitec, yenza sure ukuthi awunamali. Uyacabanga bathiwa mina-ke lapha-ke ngoba bedonselwa 3,420, if bukhona bewuthatha bengizoyenza njani? Bengizothini nje kuma-client, bezothiwa nje hawu le ntombazane kanti njani? Uyacabanga lo bamthathele u-4,200, cabanga uthi ube no-11k bathatha u-4.2, asala nje engasenalutho, usho ukuthi sekusele u-half waze wawukhipha kwelinye ibhenki. Wese ubusakwazi uvala i-account because sikusine negative balance, kumele uzokhokhe leyo balance leyo kuma uzoyivala, nakhona ukhokhe balance ongahlangene nayo. So guys, cha guys, angazi lightning yanami. If nje une-account e-Capitec, ma usave uyadlala ngempela ke wena, hamba usave kwelinye ibhenki, angazi ukuthi liphi ngoba nawo abanye bayakhala ngawo, but guys as long as kungasu Capitec, khipha imali. Ma uyirana njengami, yenza sure ukuthi imali uyayi-transfer, manje kusala u-100 rand nge-Capitec. Futhi lento le ungayibukeli ukuthi uthi ngeke yenzeke, ingenzeka futhi ungasalindele. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi abasizani. Yabona njengamanje i-branch kuphela ekhipha umdlandla ngami ukuthi phone and whatsoever, but my phone sizotransferwa napho lapha ebranchini lekuthiwa sendlulisa kwi-department relevant, nalabo bafuna bachaze into ukuthi phinde udlulise, nalabo bafuna udlulise kanjalo. Manje u-Capitec-ke wesi yafu good-ke ekudayiselana namaphepha, njengoba ekhomenta nje lapha evidweni le ethi-ke uyayibona inkinga yami, ngicela ngiba-DM. Sengim-DM-ile uphelile i-hour ngim-DM-ile, uke wangiphendula? No. And they will never reply me. Sibangake simthekayo. Surely they don't care about their clients. So my advice is, musukusave Capitec, ungaholi futhi ngo-Capitec, ungaholi ngwebo. Uma usebenza nje ungaholi ngo-Capitec, ungaholi. Akube ibhenki nje lokuthi utransfere ingane imali ngaleso sikhathi, kodwa lihlale lino-100 rand nje. Lingabi nje nemali impela ephathekayo. Guys, kunzima. Be watch bandla. Ngizontshela guys if ukuthi kuhambe kanjani, basizile nibayisuse negative balance ngoba vele anginandaba nabo, angiyifuna le account manje. So as soon as besusa le negative balance ukuthi ngiyakweda ngingakweleti, after that ngiyayivala, angisafuneli ukuthi ngihlanganisa no-Capitec. Ama-clients ama siyazi ukuthi sizoshintsha isebenzise Nedbank. Capitec nje, sawubonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, siyobalekela kuliphi bank uma onke amabhenki sekaskila, especially Capitec. Capitec bank la South Africa lesilati ukuthi line-ma-supporters or rather ama-clients lamaningi ngendlela lesimanga, but if kungilo neliphindzelikile bantu, it's just so sad because lately we've been seeing a lot of people crying about Capitec, saying ukuthi baqolile Capitec badlela timali, Capitec badonsela timali, and it's just so sad because Capitec bank line members lamaningi kakhulu, and people are saying ukuthi ngiliphi bank kanti kufanele silisebenzise lelingeke lize lisicole uma sesicola nabo Capitec bank lesibalekele kulo sibaningi because sathi ukuthi ma-charges akhona they are less, but bantu lamalanga they are always crying, always warning people ukuthi abakhiphe imali tabo ema-Capitec bavulela amanye amabhenki because i-Capitec scammer. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.